Today is Saturday, March 15th, and today is going to be a super short one, but kind of just food for thought kind of thing. No day is going to be exactly the same as any other day. I was kind of just thinking about that today. It's quite interesting. No day is going to be exactly the same as any other day, so I think it's important that when life seems boring and it seems like you're doing the same thing over and over every single week, every single day, whatever, no day is exactly the same as another day. So you have to find the small things that differentiate each day. And I was actually thinking yesterday about a journaling question for you guys is just like, what made today different, right? What made today different? Try to find those differentiators in life so that you can just appreciate life a little bit more and just realize that not every single day is the same. And literally there's no day that's exactly the same. And that's so cool. Like, I don't know, this is really cool to me. Just some cool food for thought. Yeah, no day is exactly the same. So appreciate each one. Appreciate the differentiators in each one, and just appreciate that you're here on another day on Earth. So just a quick one today, but that's all I have for today. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. This video is yesterday's video. You can subscribe in that corner, and if you subscribe, I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.